Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Made Easy channel. In this session, we will discuss about how to multiply any number with 9, 99, 999 and so on. In total, there are 3 cases in this topic. Let's see about case 1, where multiplicand and multiplier have same number of digits. Let's take one example, 7 multiplied by 9. We know that 7 multiplied by 9 answer is 63. Now look at the digits in the 63. The first digit 6 is 1 less than 7. For 6, what is the number to be added to get 9? 3. Let's take one more example, 75 multiplied by 99. First reduce this number by 1. 74. For 7, how much to be added to get 9? 2. For 4, how much number to be added to get 9? 5. 75 multiplied by 99 is 7425. Another example. Here multiplicand and multiplier have same number of digits. Reduce this number by 1, that will become 10034. For 1, how much number to be added to get 9? 8. For 0, 9. For 0, 9. For 3, 6. For 4, 5. This is our answer. Let's move on to case 2. Case 2, where multiplicand has less number of digits than multiplier. Let's take one example, 65 multiplied by 9999. First make the digits on both sides equal by keeping zeros here. Now number of digits on both sides are equal. We will solve like this example like we have solved in case 1. Reduce this number by 1, 0064. For 0, which number to be added to get 9? That means 9. For 0, 9. For 6, to become 9, we have to add 3. For 4, 5. Our answer will be 649935. Now observe the answer carefully. What we have written? First we reduce this number by 1, 64. Next we have written extra 9s here. Then for 6 to become 9 we have to add 3. For 4 to become 9 we have to add 5. Let's take one more example. 76 multiplied by 9999. We reduce this number by 1, 75. Here 2 9s are extra. Write 2 9s here. For 7 to become 9 we have to add 2. For 5 to become 9 we have to add 4. The answer will be 759924. Now we will take some bigger numbers. 87356. Reduce this number by 1, 87355. Here 3 9s are extra. Write 3 9s here. For 8, what number to be added to become 9? 1. For 7, 2. For 3, 6. For 5, 4. For 5, 4. 10576. Reduce this number by 1, 10575. Here 1 9 is extra. Write this 9 here. For 1, what number to be added to become 9? 8. For 0, 9. For 5, 4. For 7, 2. For 5, 4. Before moving on to case 3, there is one rule in Vedic mathematics which is called Nikilam rule. Everyone should remember that rule for easy calculation. I will explain that rule. It says that subtract all from 9 and last from 10. Now we will see where we'll apply this rule. Whenever we have to subtract some number from the powers of 10, we will apply this rule. Let's take one example. 1000 minus 384. To get our answer, we subtract these two numbers from 9 and this number from 10. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. 10 minus 4, 6. 1000 minus 384 become 616. Let's take another example. 1 lakh minus 8188. 0. We'll keep 0 here. Subtract all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 10 minus 8, 2. Let's move on to case 3, where multiplicand has more number of digits than multiplier. Let's take one example. 123 multiplied by 99. Here multiplier contains 3 digits, multiplier contains 2 digits. Let's see how to solve this. We divide the multiplicand into 2 parts such that right hand side part contains as many digits as number of 9s in the multiplier. Here number of 9s are 2. That means right hand side part contains 2 digits. We divide this number like this. Now subtract this number from 100. 100 minus 23. We use Nicolam rule. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 2, 7. 10 minus 3, 7. Last part becomes 77. Last part of the answer will become 77. Now add 1 to the left hand side part. 1 plus 1. It will become 2. Reduce 2 from the total multiplicand. 2. 123 minus 2. 121. The answer is 12177. Let's take another example. Here multiplicand contains 6 digits, multiplier contains 4 digits. We divide this into 2 parts such that right hand part contains 4 digits. Right hand part contains 4 digits. We reduce this number from 10,000, since 10,000 is near to 9,999. We use Nicolam rule. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 9, 1. The last part of the answer will become 2001. Now add 1 to the left hand part. It will become 78. Reduce 78 from the total multiplicand. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 7, 7, 7. The answer is 777,921, 2001. That's all about this topic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please mention it in the comment section.